We're going to be making harmonicas. So let's get started. These are the materials you will need. We are going to start off with cutting the construction paper into a thin strip. After that, we are going to make sure the strip of construction paper is the same width as the popsicle stick. After that, we are going to take our construction paper and place it on top of our popsicle stick. Next, take your toothpick and sandwich them in between the two popsicle sticks and secure with a rubber band. Next, we want to do that to the other side by placing the toothpick inside the sandwich and closing it up with the rubber band. When you pinch the two edges of the harmonica, you expose the paper in between. When you blow on it, the paper vibrates incredibly fast, making that noise. And now all you need to do is hold down on these two ends and blow. Thanks for watching. Hope you had fun. Bye.